And good afternoon, Asante family. We are at Field 1 at the hangar, Downsview Park, ready for Saturday night football. Your Asante Elite 2011s sporting their white uniforms tonight against Thornhill Bolts. They're wearing red. And the 75-cent question is, who is our keeper for this match? And for that, we're going to ask Rony and Mudo Jeddah, who is with me. It's Erik Sifuentes with Rony and Mudo. Rony,
how are you? Looking forward to today's game. It should be fun.
So who's our keeper tonight?
Well, we'll see. Your guess is good as mine.
I guess it's as good as mine. That's correct. William is a little bit under the weather, and of course, we hope he recovers quickly. There is no game next Saturday, but most certainly it's what some of the parents were talking about prior to this match, and I'm sure it's in the head of some of the players. But we've seen this happen in the past, where somebody's got to fill in a lot of able bodies. But it is a big loss not to have somebody like William, who's been such a great keeper over the years.
He's a pillar. Okay, we're losing. So we'll see how we do.
So Thornhill is in second place in this division. They haven't lost a match. And last time we faced them, that awkward finish, if you recall, Ronnie, where they were down with two men, just some calls that the referee had missed, and we were unable to capitalize and tie that game. And I thought we were a little bit sloppy in that one. Hopefully we'll be different this afternoon, and we may have 50 minutes of quite good action here from the hangar.
50 minutes of glory. That's what I'm hoping for.
That's right. Asante is on a little winning streak there. The last match, they were able to collect yet another win, and the one previous to that against Emory. It's Coach Ba.
Coach Richmond Ba.
He is in presence today, and was joking around. He says, well, we're going to have the net empty today.
We're that confident.
Obviously not.
Here comes the battle cry.
We'll be good. We'll be okay. And it is JD. It is JD. I hope he's not going to wear the glasses. So this will be interesting.
Okay.
JD is going to go in net for Asante.
So I'm unofficially dedicating this game to William.
Absolutely. And he's one of the veterans, one of the important pieces of this team. And not having him this afternoon is definitely a big loss. And you feel it even more when you're playing a club that's never lost a game this season. But Asante has a lot of assets that they can put into play. Same starting lineup.
So shout out to Christian Ruiz. There he is, waving. Sitting with his son Javi.
So same starting six as last time around, Ronnie. And you have Jermaine, and the only difference is Jadon will be playing at the top, Mikael and Max in defense, and JD will try to do his best impression of William. That's not going to be an easy task, but he'll do well. We're waiting for the initial whistle to get things going. Ball is set right there in the middle. We're almost ready to go. You're a big fan of the Thornhill coach, Ronnie.
Well, the coach of the sweater is nice.
Oh, he's not in today. Ball is rolling. We're on the way. Mikael plays back with JD. JD back to Mikael. And that one goes for Jadon. There's a bit of a bounce. He has to play back with Mikael. Mikael shielding that ball on the line. Ball does go out. It is Thornhill ball in the early going of this match.
It's a kick in corner.
And that went right to the post.
And still in somehow.
My goodness. You're the new guy in that, and you get rattled with that one. Good thing went to the post. And they play that again to the short side. Here is Jade on the turn. Jermaine wasn't able to get through. Jadon dispossessed. And that goes off Max. Another corner for Thornhill. We've played a minute. in the early going of this match. He's a little bit too tucked in, JD. Max. Thornhill unable to get a shot from there, but they've had control in the first few seconds of this match.
I think that's the other coach's game plan. Come in hard.
They press and press hard. Here's the keeper. They like the long ball. They find number 25. Jermaine plays back with JD. And he plays it quickly. Not a good pass there.
Corner.
It's the fourth corner.
It's a good thing also for the players to appreciate what the goalie does. That it's not just passing the ball there, but passing it precisely. And that one goes off Max. Jadon trying to make the turn. Jadon trying to break through. Vamos por el primero, Asante. Vamos por el primero. Viene Jadon con la pelota. Retrocedió. That one goes out. It's a kick in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, tell your friends about it. The Asante Media channel. Over 1,600 subscribers strong. Max with Ander. Max again looks around. Has to play with keeper JD. Fakes to Max. La tiene Jermaine. La perdió Jermaine. And the save is made by JD. We can't get cavalier like that.
The Asante team looks a little bit asleep to me.
It's time for, I think, you gotta make an adjustment there. This line is unable to. They've been pressed hard. Max crossing it. Jermaine again. No eye precise, and you know what? And Coach Ba just saw that, and he's gonna go with Division. But here's Jermaine. Vamos por el primero. Jermaine, Ander, finish him, Ander. The keeper there first to trap that ball, and it's rolled. And look who comes out of there, Mikel. Jadon maybe stealing it. Vamos, Jadon. No hubo nada. Sigue,
no
Jadon.
call, okay.
Here's the first one. Here it's coming. It's coming. He has to be said.
I thought there'd be a call for the holding the ball, but
Jermaine making the move. Jermaine saw Ander. Somebody shoot, por favor. Ooh, I don't know if there was a hand there. Max is going to have to hurry. Ball. Another
shielding,
corner.
It's okay.
And good advice there from Coach Richmond. Stay in the net. Looks like Dimitri will be coming in. And this one goes all the way through. The turn there by Jadon. Jadon breaks through. Here's Jadon. Ya lo vio Ander. Back to Jadon. Alguien, por favor, métale un patazo y metan el primero. Kick in Asante.
Now gives me time to apologize to the fans at home. A little bit of sun, a little bit of... so I apologize if your screens are going bright and low.
Well, 5 minutes into this thing, if there's no apology, it's not Ronnie. It's not Ronnie. Mr. Apology.
Oakley Dokley.
Jadon pushed.
Okay.
Not consequential, though. It rolls right to the keeper.
Bolts are ready to bring on some fresh.
Pelotazo.
Good, well done.
Here's number 11 for Thornhill. And good pressure there from Jermaine.
Okay. Still Bolts ball.
They managed to get another shot. Mikel is able to block it.
Next one, okay? Finish.
Still scoreless from field one. They try something different to nobody. Kick in Asante. Dimitri eventually does come in as the first substitution occurs. Mikel with Jadon turning. Jadon still has Ander. Struggled to keep possession there. Has two guys around him. Ander still. Ander crossing it. There is Dimitri. He plays good with his back. Dimitri! That's a good release there from Dimitri. Testing early. Asante's best chance came right there. Max play quickly with Dimitri. And the ball skips the line. It's a kick in, Asante. Max's ball here.
Let it go backwards. Now we step. Tristan, shift.
JD. Mikel. Bit of a hop there. Jadon controlling. It's headed by 11. Thornhill maybe wants to get a shot out of this one. Mikael gets a foot there first, kicking for them.
Tristan, leave it. Go.
And 13 will come in. And Abam is the next substitution in this one, as Coach Richmond starting to move the bench a little bit. One thing with a team that marks hard, like Thornhill, by having JD and Ned, you lose one of your stronger players who you would definitely like to use for the marking. This is a good give and go here for Thornhill. The shot is not released, stolen by Dimitri. Sigue Dimitri con la pelota, va Dimitri con la pelota. It goes past the line, another kick in Asante.
I'm still here, Eric. Keeping faith.
7 minutes in, we're scoreless. Dimitri pushed, no call. Dimitri will have to fight for that one. This one is too far and out of play. Another kick in. He's been involved, Dimitri, since he's come in. Here's Mikael looking for Jadon. It goes out of play. They play back with the keeper. He looks around, may choose the pelotazo. He does. Trying to get past Max. The short pass to 11. Dimitri's there. And it's kicked out by Dimitri. Thornhill will play that quickly. Mikael was there. There's traffic in that area. Mikael rolls it. It's going to go out. It is Thornhill ball. This is a time where we don't want to get desconcentrado. That goes all the way to the other end. And it's not going to pass across the line. But here's Jadon with some speed. Sigue Jadon con la pelota. Va Jadon con la pelota. Sigue Jadon. Se llevó uno, se llevó dos. Kicked out by number 12. Kicking Asante lead. Abem and looks like Armando will come into this match. And I think that would be Mikael's. You want to use a guy with size like Jadon all the way up there. Ball goes out again. Another kick in Asante. We're still scoreless from field one. Dimitri! It's in the area.
Oh, man.
Ander chasing. Ander pushed. Referee says nada. Kick in Thornhill. Good challenge there from Ander. Ball does go out. Number 8, that was 30 with the pass here. Number 7 tried to make a move around Mikael. He has to play it back. Look where Mikael is, all the way up there. He'll reset. And the pelotazo to the hands of JD, your keeper for tonight.
Good. Work, Zach, work.
Ander. I thought there was a hand.
Yeah, me too.
Dimitri, number 30. It goes out. The Asante ball. Abam. Armando comes in for Mikael. Abam is also in for Jadon. He'll get a breather. Double substitution here. 10 minutes in. Abam couldn't handle it. Abam fighting for it though. Abam trying to break through. Abam is pushed or he falls. No call. This one sneaks right through. There's a shot. It goes wide.
Anthony, come.
I didn't like how Asante was positioned there. No, I didn't.
It's a goal kick.
I thought so too.
Yeah, it's a goal kick. Ref's pointing it. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, Thornhill does a lot. Every ball is theirs. But that's why we got to be more alert. I don't know about that one.
Step. Force backwards.
Let's see if Aben can get to it. He can't. Dimitri breaking through. They have to play back with the keeper. Another goal kick here.
Oh, no, it's the corner of this one.
Yeah, I thought Armando
Oh, hang
touched
on a
it.
sec. Yeah, okay. All right, goal kick.
Yeah, I thought
Sorry.
Armando made
Yeah, me
contact.
too.
Oh, that's a tight ball.
Good thing we're amateur.
Dimitri trying to break through. He does. What's the call? No, man.
Against Dimitri? All right.
And they're still there. And it goes off red. That should be, oh no, it's
No, that's red ball.
Bolt's ball.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Referee had signaled,
yeah,
but
I
the
know.
game
I don't
played
know.
on.
I'm not gonna.
Ander by himself against 3. He called that a foul. We got to be more heads up here. Exacto, you gotta tienes que empujarlo, ¿ves? Cuando se te ponen así, záfalo del camino. JD, Max.
Shake.
Asante able to kick that one out. Abem.
Safety first, Asante ball.
We've played half of this first half. And Kobe's in. Play back with JD here. JD returns with Armando. On that line is Dimitri. Made a nice move, Dimitri. Sigue Dimitri. You got 68 open. ¡Pégale! ¡Tiene que meterle puntazo! That was Kobe there with the opportunity. Max.
Whoa.
Bit of a high leg
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Step. One more.
Intercepted there by Armando. It's headed. And there's no shot taken. Rolled to JD. He's looking around here, JD. He plays with Max. He gets past that player.
Okay.
And there was a foul and a bam. See, here when you got the player in front of you, you gotta. Tiene que enseñarle eso. O sea, tienes un huevón ahí, lo empujas de ahí.
There's two of you in the same spot. One to go side.
Dimitri. Oh, can't take a shot from there.
Left foot.
And they get the first one.
Ah, man. That wasn't needed. That wasn't needed. It's okay.
And Jack.
Good play by Thornhill.
It was.
Caught us sleeping. Respect. All right, there we go.
Oh, short again.
Man. Where's the defense?
Yeah, but it's a short pass there, though. He's the short to him. He can't. There's not much Max can do if the pass is short.
Yeah.
1-0 Bolts.
So if you're just joining us, it's 1-0 for the Bolts in red. Asante in white.
We're gonna move forward. Let's go. Asante ball here. We gotta go higher. It's got a lot of room. Seba showing. He's gonna play deep for Abem. Abem there, trying to handle that. Seba is there as well.
Back. Release. Keep missing.
See if Seba shows. Seba was showing.
Good work, Luke. Luke, use your chest.
And ball goes out. Another kick in. Give and go here. The shot is blocked. Another kicking.
Sorry, grab him. Better pass, Marquise. Keep. Mason, look at the goalie. Well done, Zach.
Good battle here by Abam. Max doesn't have anybody open. We're all
Step.
Abam.
Whoa.
He's pushed.
Man,
Drop.
that was.
Yeah.
I felt that one.
Pace.
He says dad's giving them sideline tips. Shout out to him.
Seba. Max.
Play line. Good. Across.
And it's a goal kick.
Zach, come.
Isa will come in for Armando.
Shift.
There's Isa. Isa still.
Shift. Marquise, you're on this side now. Stay center. Hit him out.
Sebastian with Kobe.
Good. Well done.
Kobe is pushed out of that ball, but it's Asante possession.
On this guy, go side.
Where you, Jonathan?
Shift. Hey, Marquise.
They were looking for Jonathan on that play.
Touch. Good.
Number 6 managed to keep it in, but it goes right to JD. And Caden will come in. Jonathan chasing.
Luke, come. Hey, stay here. Step. Deep.
Man, guys.
Now there's a bit of a fall. Sebastian trying to steal that one. Isa was there as well.
Our ball.
It's another Bolts ball here on a kicking.
Well done, Steve. Corner.
I think we're in the double digits of corners right now.
It's been quite a few. I'm not sure we're at
Yeah.
double digits, but we're
No.
definitely close
Okay.
to it.
This. Okay.
And they roll that low on the short side to JD.
Kick, throw, touch. Okay.
Isa to Sebastian. He's pressured. He has to play back.
Shift. This is you, hit him out.
Max has a little bit of room now. And it goes off, and it's a kick in Asante.
Okay. White ball.
And Jonathan was there. Sebastian breaking through. It's kicked out.
Marquise, come. Step.
Isa didn't want to complicate himself. He kicked that one out.
Early.
What? Yeah. Oh.
Our ball still. Our ball.
That one stung. It'll sting a
Respect,
bit.
Isa.
His hard contact was made. Shot is blocked.
Second ball.
Sebastian blocked it and
Jake,
rolls
Jake,
right to JD.
Corner.
It's okay.
Mason.
Had a little bit of trouble with that, and yet another corner. And the corner to no one.
Hey, leave.
Ander and Max are gonna get. Max is gonna get a breather here as JD is back on.
To the crowd. Thank you so much to all the families, the support. You know.
Go long here. Maybe Caden can do something.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
With
a high knee to the player. Ref.
And the referee.
Okay, ref. I don't know.
What a terrible non-call.
Yeah.
Call a game. Like,
Look, even
here's a knee to you and no call. Can't come out irresponsibly like that. It's a goal kick. Pelotazo. Headed there by Jadon. Jadon gets to it again. It's a big bounce. Jadon manages to have some control, but it goes out eventually. Ander with a kick in here.
I'm calling a long ball right here. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. There it is.
Another long ball.
Oh, okay.
Jonathan will come out for Omid.
Omid's hungry. He's got this. Like all this time. I don't know. Okay. It's okay.
Asante lucky there that nothing occurred.
And that was a pass from a goal kick. So okay.
Referee calls a foul there on Ander. No. Juega arriba. No entregues. Omid, it passes him. Bolts here, no complications to kick it out. Just over a minute to go in this first half.
That's it? Oh.
And that one is given away. Counter here for Bolts. Number 7 lost it though. Number 17 rather. Right to the area. Here's Jadon. And he's dispossessed. Jermaine is giving some pressure. Goal kick. Vamos rápido, vamos rápido. Carajo. JD kicked it, maybe for Caden. Here's Jermaine. Few seconds left. Jermaine has to push that back to Ander. Ander looking from Caden on that side. Placed back with Jadon. 17 was there. Jadon battling. Jadon taking it away. Jadon not dispossessed. And the referee se animó finally to call a foul. Ay, Dios. Well, there's not going to be time. Somebody's got to take a shot. Like, why not?
Okay.
And here's the buzzer.
Yeah.
Brings close to first half. A first half that I thought possession-wise and positioning-wise, the Bolts are the better team. And they've been rewarded with a 1-goal lead. So at halftime, Thornhill leading Asante 1-0. We'll be right back with the second half. Second half action about to start. From field 1 at the hangar. Asante trailing 1-0. As TJ has come on. We'll get some action at the beginning of the second half. Jermaine, there's Ander, JD. JD our keeper today. And Max in there as well. It looks like Coach Frank has attended the party as well, Ronnie.
Yeah. He's going to bring us luck for the second half.
He'll be taking care of the 2010s. Ball's rolling. Second half action has started. TJ, a little bit of pressure there. Jadon off his chest. Jadon still.
Some hand
Ball
holding.
marked by 25. Jadon to TJ. Jadon again, making a move. Rolls it back to Max. Max has to play back with JD. Jeez. You gotta hurry, JD. Try to finesse it there. Jermaine viene el primero. Keeper comes out.
Roof ball.
Right to the mesh.
Let's see what happens now.
It's a good play there by the keeper to come out on that one. And Ronnie, who likes to move his camera, has done it again.
You got 100-meter range. Don't worry. Go for a walk. You can go sit in the stands.
The referee said this was his first game. Jadon from a distance.
We're back, baby.
It's a goal kick.
Hi, Christian.
Oh, that one was cavalier. Here's Jadon, another test. That one goes off one of the players, number 17. It's going to be a corner kick. It looks like the Bulls defender was unsure. It hit one of his players and let it roll.
No turn, no turn.
Jadon, Ander,
Step, Steve, step.
Ander trying to feed it there to
Well done,
Jermaine.
Jack. Good
It
job.
goes out.
Shake,
Either
shake,
Ander
shake.
or Max here, but somebody go for it. Max. Good give and go. And the shot is on target. We see a different Asante team in this second half, at least with more initiative.
Espressos at the half.
And here's Jadon. He rolls that ball. And look where JD is.
Oh, man.
Played it to Ander.
Well done, Steve.
Ander, some difficulties there. Here's Maxwell. Back to Ander. He's
Whoa. Okay.
It was marked. Jermaine freeing TJ. Looks around for Max.
Well done, Mateo.
And number 25 getting a foot on there, 26 rather.
Anthony, you gotta tuck. Stay, tuck. Central.
Goes all the way back
Now shift,
with
shift,
keeper
shift.
JD
Right here. Step.
to Jadon. He rolled it for Jermaine. Jermaine breaking through. He gave it to TJ. Alguien mete el golazo.
Oh, the doorstep.
And it's another
We're getting there.
goal kick. Asante is starting to knock.
Back it up. Keep it up. Issa's dad.
Tail.
Much better Jermaine in the second half. And that's the Jermaine we want to see. Here's the shot coming. Oh, not in time. Kicking Asante. Asante ball. It'll be Jadon. As for the space, man. Oh, no. TJ was pushed there.
Wide, Nacho, wide.
JD showing his other sports abilities. Sure, it's the first time he's played goalie ever. And this is
Tail.
Yes. Oh.
that's what we want to see. If you put it on the ground,
Yeah.
Tail steps.
we've played 4 minutes in the second half. Still 1-0 lead. This one for Max. Max rolled it to Jermaine. Jermaine makes a beautiful turn. Here's Jermaine turning it on. Oh, that would have been a beauty had Ander received that pass. Back to Max. Here's Ander. This one goes all the way to the top of the box where JD, who's familiarized himself with that box. Here's Jadon. Jadon still with TJ. He tried to feed that back. Good pressure there by TJ. 13 is alone. He positions himself for the shot. It's blocked.
No shot, no pass, no foul.
And they have to reset here. Was thinking of going to the goalie, but there was pressure. And it's flicked. Jadon is covering 7 and covering him well.
Okay, goal kick. Everyone's appealing for a corner, but
Max. Andrew couldn't win that one. And 25 couldn't get a foot on that play. 16 didn't want to complicate himself, pushed it out. Kick in Asante. And there is TJ rolling it to Ander. Couldn't get through. 16. He's pushed. No call. And Dimitri talking to Coach Richmond as he'll be coming back in as Bolts make another substitution here. Oh, that one, a rare error from Max. Here's Jermaine. Jermaine still. Ander, good, great job. He earns the kick in.
Basic cover.
Jadon perhaps. And maybe a break here. But you know, Jadon has the speed. And that's one of the things you gain with Jadon at the back. What's the call?
I don't know what the call is. Oh, it's okay. Kicking bolts.
Well, the referee in his first game, and clearly has shown moments where it is his first game. Jermaine, can he make a move? Jermaine, and he's got TJ. Vamos, sentence him. Oh, it's a weak shot. Ander Oh, TJ with the opportunity there. JD rolled it back to Max. Jermaine's looked good this second half. And he created that play, gave it to TJ. TJ didn't have the best angle though. Max trying to roll it. And it went to number 7. A 2-of-1 of sorts, but Jadon winning. Here's 21 trying to break through. And it's pushed out by Jermaine.
Another corner.
Mikel will come back, and so will Dimitri. Another corner. Maybe this one is the 10th, Ronnie. Just over 16 minutes to go. Blocked. Here's Asante on the counter. Bolt ball here. Goes to JD. That's a long pass. And TJ's there.
Okay.
The referee with his call there, foul. Count the yards, referee. Haz tu trabajo bien.
The yards.
But I'll take the fact that he played it quickly, but that was definitely not the right yardage. Corner kick here for Asante. See what happens here. Maybe a header. Yes, indeed, but just over the bar from Jermaine.
Luke, come. Stay.
What's the ball?
Good first touch by the Bulls player. Okay.
He runs to the room though. It's a goal kick. TJ did well in that shift. Jadon replaced. Here's Mikel.
Whoa. Okay. I don't know. I'd give some time for that one. That was a sweep.
Mikel welcomed back into the game by 17 right there.
Yeah.
Jermaine. Good ball here for Dimitri. Let's see what he can do. He rolled it. Jermaine was there. Mikel will get a foot. Max. Back to Mikel. Dimitri. Looks around. Handed on this left side. Pauses. Dimitri still. They play back with the keeper. Keeper hit the mesh. Hit the mesh first. Max. Anders there as well. He falls on the play. Counter here from the Bolts. Dimitri covering well.
Okay.
Ball did go out. It's another goal kick for Asante. Max. Ball goes out. Kick in. Asante.
So not the jinx ending. What was the score the last time we met the Boats?
I believe it was 2-1, but it was definitely a one-goal game.
Yeah.
Mikel intercepting. Mikel again. Mikel getting his foot properly. Here's Jermaine. Vamos, Jermaine. Sigue Jermaine. Look at Jermaine go. Referee running back also trying to get it. He's setting that up. He gets a corner. I like how Jermaine has looked this second half.
Ref!
And there's a player that is injured here.
Sorry, we apologize for yelling on mic.
You know, Ronnie wants to be the Boy Scout always. That looks like that's he's grabbing his 17 got hurt on the play. Well, I hope he's okay. That look, he was in a lot of pain there. Jermaine, somebody had it. It's Ander. He's pushed. Oh, that was a cavalier push in the area. Jonathan will come in for Jermaine.
Space.
Just under 12 minutes, Ronnie. And 2 substitutions that will be made here by the Bolts. Another corner. 22 is loose. Mikel gets a foot there. Handled by Ender. Dimitri trying to break through. Ender pushes and wins. Ender with a pass. Jonathan's pushed out of that ball. Well done there. That was a good play there by the Bolts player. Beat Jonathan on that one nicely. That one goes off him. You know, the ball skips. Referee's calling
Corner?
corner.
Okay.
They play it low. Jonathan getting a foot. Abem trying to gain control. Dimitri is there to help. Bolts ball. They tried to do the lujo, didn't work. Kick in Asante.
Armando checking in.
for Mikel. Play that one low. Here is Dimitri. Vamos, Dimitri. Pégale de ahí, Dimitri. Deflection. Max anticipating. There is Max. He rolled it over. Here is Jonathan with Dimitri. All the way back to JD here. He rolled it. Ay Dios. Ay Dios. He kicked it up there for Jonathan. Vamos, Jonathan. Jonathan pauses, looks around. Jonathan trying to find a BAM.
Step.
Mando on that side. It's kicked off, number 22. We got to go quicker.
Asante ball.
We're going to do a wholesale change, bolts.
Yeah.
And it's right there.
The
Skipped
club card
everybody.
is out.
First.
And another goal kick. Seba is coming in.
Step.
Two Max has to play back with JD. Armando now. And there goes to Jonathan. Jonathan possession. Vamos, seguir. JD is there first. Seba will come back.
Step.
Max on the left side. Dimitri. Viene a Ben. Vamos a Ben. Quiero ver una Ben.
Just.
Goalkeeper trapped it. It was going out anyway. And the Twins are coming in, maybe with Seba. And the pressure from Jonathan. Pelotazo.
You got
Max is
pressure.
there. Armando, possession. And that is Asante ball. No, ciego este árbitro. Wow, they came close. A corner kick.
Who's there?
That one just skipped through.
Man, his game's hurt. I still feel like Asante hasn't woken up. We had a good 3 minutes at the beginning of the half, and I'm waiting for them to bring it back.
Dimitri. Max giving pressure there on that side. It's like another corner.
Man. Are we in the 20s?
In here. Come.
Okay, Price Club. 4 out of 5 replaced.
On Zach. Jack.
No more food. Less than 2 hours into a game.
Yeah,
It shows.
Jack, come on wide now.
all this time. Like, I know FIFA's going to start that new 8-second rule.
And here is an attempt by number 13. Another corner. What's new? Jermaine coming back on.
At the corner of Chesswood.
JD traps it. It gets past
Okay.
him. And
okay.
Hey, let's get our shape, please.
It's okay, Asante, let's go. It's okay. Play your game. I'm a parent, a fan, passion. Okay.
Jake,
Asante ball. Here we go.
let it go backwards. Hey, Zach.
Let's see if Isa can get there. He does. Vamos, Isa. Ponle. Well, Kobe, maybe in front of the net, someone.
It's a great pass by Isa.
Seba. For Isa. Isa gets there. Makes the pass. Seba. Someone. And here they have a breakaway. 13 with a perfect pass and another goal. Not JD to stop. And he played it quickly. Probate eso. Number 8 makes a turn. And it goes off Isa. Jermaine breaking through.
Zach, check your shoulder. Force backwards. Hit him up.
Nice turn here by Jermaine. I think he's been the best player in this team thus far. 4 red shirts all the way at the back.
Right away, Asante. You're fighting goals and time now.
Yeah, I think the second one really killed us. It's touched.
Another
So it's going to be another corner. Offset by another corner. And the weak shot misses the target.
Edwin, go forward. Centerman. Shift.
Jermaine.
Top.
Seba, a good ball here for Keaton. A little bit too much mustard though.
Hey, Anthony. Stretch. Stay. Play. Anthony, you gotta settle a little bit.
And Omid came in and made a block immediately.
Behind you, Seba.
This one just rolls past everybody. We're just killing it off pretty much. I think this is a done deal. Seba battling. Vamos, Seba. And the referee finally
Thank you, ref.
calls
Thank
a
you.
referee. Finally calls a. As for the distance,
Ask for yards.
they won't. Okay, the referee remember the rules.
Let's go.
Seba
Stretch.
over the bar.
Stretch right here. All the way.
And that's probably it.
Tuck in. Hey.
Seba again. Final buzzer is going to go. And there it is, Asante Elite defeated at Field 1. The Bolts winning, remaining undefeated this season. Final words, Rony.
El Mudo. Mood.
He's apologizing for not having any words. The game comes to an end. It is a 2-0 win for the Bolts. You know, not the most exciting game to have watched of the season, but JD had to do something he's probably never done, never thought he was going to do the night before, and that's go net. And did his best. I thought he did quite well, all things considering. It's never easy to do that one, to play that role. So it'll be another 2 weeks until we have another match. Ronnie, don't forget to like, share, or comment the Asante Elite Media channel, all the games, all the action. Good night from the hangar.
Thank you all.